In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube videos to your Thinkific course lessons and site pages. By the end, you'll know exactly when to use a standalone multimedia lesson and when to place a video directly on a landing page or homepage, all while keeping everything clean and professional. Let's start with adding a YouTube video as its own lesson. This is ideal when the video should stand alone, like an introduction or a bonus lesson. In your Thinkific admin, go to Products, then Courses, and open the course you want to edit. Click Add Lesson and choose Multimedia. Give the lesson a clear name, like Intro Video, so learners instantly know what to expect. Select the option to use externally hosted content. Now paste the YouTube embed URL, the iframe version, not just the standard share link. A quick tip: the correct format usually looks like youtube.com/embed, followed by the video ID, which you can copy from YouTube's share, then embed, and grab the SRC link. Using the embed URL ensures Thinkific displays the player properly. When you're ready, click Save Lesson. That's it. Your video is now its own lesson, and it will appear in the course outline like any other lesson type. Next, if you want a video on a course landing page, your home page, or any site page, you'll use the Site Builder. From your admin dashboard, go to Design Your Site and open the page you want to edit by clicking the pencil icon. Click Add Section and pick either a video section or a text and media section. Choose Video if you want a clean, dedicated video block with minimal distractions. In that section, select Use a video from YouTube, paste your YouTube link, and save your changes. Keep in mind that the video section is designed to auto-size and look great across devices. If you prefer to pair the video with text, buttons, or images, choose the Text and Media section instead. There you can insert the video using the editor or paste the YouTube embed code. This is helpful when you want to introduce the video with context, add a call to action, or format the content more flexibly. After placing the video, save your changes so the update is applied to your live page. To recap, use a multimedia lesson when the video is meant to be a standalone learning item, and use the Site Builder when the video belongs on a public-facing page. Always use the proper YouTube embed format for reliable playback, and save every change as you go.